When I was about 6 years old, in 1980 something, my first fandom for action figures started with two people who wielded swords. One was He-Man, and one was Thundercats. That's what started my love for action figures. Now, He-Man comes from a place called Eternia, and this is WWE Masters of the Universe, so they call it the WWE Eternia Universe. But we talk about me being a kid and growing up with He-Man and Thundercats. My collection wasn't as big as my cousin Bobby's. I'll tell you one thing, his house was probably smaller than my apartment. And this dude had a playroom, he had castles, he had everything. And he's probably a rich man because um, they're collector's items now. They're rare, but couldn't keep up. I had a couple Masters of the Universe figures. I had a couple Thundercats, but not like him. Anyway, as I got older, as an older kid, junior high school age, late elementary, I started collecting wrestling figures. That's where I found my niche because I knew everything about it and I had all the play sets. That was like how my cousin was with the He-Man and the Thundercats, where I had all the accessories, all the rings and whatnot. But now the WWE has released Masters of the WWE Universe, and they have released these figures that merge my two loves together. This is Sting from the WWE in He-Man form.
You don't just need affordable health care, you deserve affordable health care. New York State of Health will help you compare low-cost,
Now,
plans with free preventive care and options including low premiums and low out-of-pocket.
I
Our expert navigators
am going to unbox all of these.
explain your choices.
Triple H had a press conference in San Diego Comic-Con,
Or in person.
and he said he has the power. And it was a cool promo and a throwback from He-Man, I have the power. Well, I almost want to cry because these are awesome figures and you know, it brings my two loves together, as I said. Sorry, I had a loss for words. But Triple H, WWE, Mattel, I have the power. And now you know what the deal is. Coming straight from the dream.